The next operation on function is subtraction. It is in the form f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. For example, given two functions f of x and g of x, where f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 5x plus 7, and g of x is equal to negative x squared plus 9x minus 2. Find for f minus g of x. So f minus g of x is also the same as f of x minus g of x. So f of x minus g of x. Then let us copy f of x and g of x. So that is now equal to our f of x, which is 2x squared minus 5x plus 7. Then copy the operation. So minus, then copy g of x. G of x is negative x squared plus 9x minus 2. So in subtracting functions, we have rules to follow. So the first rule is to copy the minuend. In this case, our minuend is f of x. So copy f of x. That is 2x squared minus 5x plus 7. Then, change the sign of the subtrahend. So our subtrahend here is g of x. So let us change all the signs of the terms on g of x. So we have negative x squared that will now become positive. Then positive 9x that will become negative. The negative 2 that will become positive. And the last step is to proceed to addition. So that will now be plus. Then copy it. So positive x squared, so that is x squared. Then negative 9x or minus 9x. Then positive 2 or plus 2. Then simplify the equation further by means of combining the similar terms. So the similar terms here are 2x squared and x squared. So 2x squared plus x squared is equal to 3x squared. Then another similar terms are negative 5x and negative 9x. So negative 5x plus negative 9x, that is equal to negative 14x. Then last one is positive 7, then positive 2. So 7 plus 2, that is positive 9. So the difference of the functions f and g is equal to 3x squared minus 14x plus 9. Another example. So we have two functions given, f of x and g of x, where f of x is equal to x squared minus x minus 2. Then g of x is equal to x plus 1. Find for f minus g of negative 3. So just like in addition, we can find for the difference of two functions in two ways. So the first way is to find first the f minus g of x, then evaluate the resulting function with the given value of the variable, which is negative 3. So that is f minus g of x, which is the same as f of x minus g of x. So copy f of x, that is x squared minus x minus 2. Then copy the operation minus. Then copy g of x, that is x plus 1. Then proceed to the rule on subtracting functions. So copy the mean went, which is x squared minus x minus 2. Then proceed to addition. Change the signs of the subtrahend. So that is now negative x, then positive 1, that will become negative 1. Then combine the similar terms or the like terms. So in here, the like terms are negative x and x. So copy x squared first. Then negative x plus negative x, that is equal to negative 2x. Then negative 2 plus negative 1, that is negative 3. Then find for f minus g of negative 3. So let us replace all the variables x in here with negative 3. So that is now negative 3 then squared minus 2 times negative 3 minus 3. Then simplify further. Negative 3 squared is equal to 9. Then negative 2 times negative 3 is equal to positive 6. Then copy minus 3. So 9 plus 6 minus 3 is equal to 12. Then for the other way, that is to find for f of negative 3 first, then find for g of negative 3, then subtract the resulting values. So find for f of negative 3. So that is x squared minus x minus 2. So that is now negative 3 squared minus negative 3 minus 2. So negative 3 squared is 9. The negative times negative 3 is positive 3 minus 2. Then 9 plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 10. Then find for g of negative 3. So that is x plus 1. Then change x with negative 3. So that is negative 3 plus 1. Negative 3 plus 1 is equal to negative 2. Then subtract the resulting values. So that is f of negative 3 minus g of negative 3. So for our f of negative 3, that is equal to 10. Then minus g of negative 3, which is negative 2. Then simplify further. So that is 10 negative times negative 2, that is positive 2. Then 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So the results are of course the same. So either way, you will arrive on the same answer as long as your process is correct. That is subtraction of functions.